Hi, welcome to Gen 5 Runner. Hope you're having a great day, and I appreciate you stopping to look at this video. When we were at the Overland Expo East in 2019, I met a fellow named Dan Rich, who's a senior manager with Toyota. Dan told me about this tool called a Clamptite or Clampit. Two different names for basically the same product. So I went and got one and was so impressed with how versatile this tool is. It's, to me, a have-to-have in your overland kit. So I'm doing this video showing you what it is and how it works. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you at the end.
Here you can see the gold Clamptite tool and the stainless steel wire we're going to use to create a 2-wire clamp over a piece of PVC pipe. Pull off enough wire to make our clamp plus some extra. We'll see in a minute, a little extra. Holding the ends together to get approximately the middle. I'm going to put a bend in the middle of the wire that we'll use later to attach the Clamptite tool to. We'll wrap the wire around the piece of PVC pipe and put the ends through the loop. Particular wire is a little bit stiff. That makes it a little more difficult to use. And we'll wrap it around the pipe again and put it back through the loop a second time. That'll give us the 2 wires on each side of the clamp to distribute the load a little better. You can do this as many times as you like to make as wide a clamp as you wish. I like to separate the wires and make sure they're not overlapped or tangled in any way. And we'll place the tip of the Clamptite tool on the bend to capture the bend, and then fold the 2 pieces of wire over the top of the roll pins that are sticking out of the Clamptite tool and attach them to the rearmost. It is important that you go over the top. I've tried it the other way and it doesn't work very well. The Clamptite tool will fall off of the bend in the wire, making it very awkward and difficult to use. Now I'll take those 2 pieces and twist them together to keep them secure so they don't slip. There we go, twisting it together. Doesn't matter which way you turn it. It's just there to keep them from slipping. Now, if the Clamptite tool falls off of the little bend, it's no problem. If you pull back, you'll be able to put it back on the bend easily. And you can see that's what I just did. Now that everything's in place, you turn the wing nut on the end of it. The actual Clampit tool has a crank handle that's pretty nice. But by turning the wing nuts, again adjusting slightly before I get too much tension on the wires to be able to move them, just to make a nice looking clamp. It's not necessary, but it makes a better end product, or better looking end product. And continue to tension the wires until you get the tension you need. If it's on, say, a rubber hose, obviously you don't want to cut into the hose with the wires. So as soon as you see them tightly indented, that's probably good enough. Once it's tight enough, simply flip the tool over the top which locks the clamp in place. Now you can take the tension off at this point if you wish, but I found it's quicker just to go ahead and cut the wires. Well, if you can get a hold of the wire. Set the tool aside. Push down the locks and trim them to length. Or trim them first and then push them down. And you have a great looking hose clamp or clamp of some sort. You can use this for all kinds of things, to tie things together, to hold things in place, etc. What a great tool.
Well, thanks for watching this video. We really do appreciate it. I hope you liked it, and if you did, click on like. If you're not a subscriber currently, please subscribe to our channel. I think you'll find it interesting and informative. So you can just click the subscribe button up there when it shows up, and we'll see you next time. In the meantime, arrive safe and leave clean.